Hello, welcome to our Hackviolet 2022 submission. For the backend and routing, we use Python and Flask, and in the front end, we use HTML and CSS. The main purpose of our project is to allow users to quickly find a recipe they want to create based on the ingredients that they have in hand. Come to the web application of our project. You will see there's a user manual which gives you the instructions of how to use the website. You can enter any ingredients you have in hand, enter the number of recipes you want, and in every byte will generate the recipes you can make with that ingredient that you have. It also gives you tips on how to input the things so you don't mess up. So for example, let's say we have these specific ingredients in hand. So we go to recipe and search, we put in the ingredients, and let's say we want 5 number of recipes, or we can have like 7. And then we click find recipes. What this does is it goes through an API that we set up, the Tasty API, and it goes through all the recipes available that has those specific ingredients, and it will give me a list of recipes with the ingredients that I need to finish it and the specific instructions step by step for each recipe, as you can see. This is a very helpful tool that lets users quickly find many different kinds of recipes that they want based on some of the ingredients that they have. Our goal is to help people, especially those who cook, find new and exciting recipes and be able to cook them. So yeah, that is basically the whole purpose of our website. We have a contact page that isn't completely finished yet, but we're working on it. But this is our web application and the end of the presentation. Thank you for watching.